Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So we have another listing for sale. 6,000 square meters, clean title, located in Barangay Valladolid, Carcar City, Cebu. So going to LTO guys, going to LTO. Then almost adjacent in a gas station, no. So malaki ang it's already have a setback. May setback na siya guys. So makita man natin ang perimeter fence. At obserbahan ko na yung lupa ay yung kalsada medyo nasa itaas at sa yung lupa medyo nasa baba ng kaunti. So according to the owner, this was a proposed subdivision. So ginagawa sana itong subdivision, pero the developer partner, kasi nag-joint venture sila sana dito. Pero yung ka-joint venture ay nag-back out. So hindi natuloy. So ginawa ni may-ari, binibinta na lang ng buo. So yan po. See, mga siguro nasa half meter lang siguro, no, from the level of the road. So tinitingnan ko sa loob kung di ba malambot yung lupa. Hindi naman, kasi prepared na to para subdivision. Okay na sana. At sa doon sa likuran, medyo malaki pa at medyo nag-sloping pa doon palikod, sa likuran. Meaning, kapag may malakas na tubig dadaloy dito, diretso lang yan sa likuran. Pwede ka rin makagawa ng drainage. So okay lang. So this is ideal for commercial and residential, kasi marami ng establishment dito guys. The price is 7,500 pesos per square meter. So nagdepende na lang natin kung magkagusto tayo, tapos gusto natin i-negotiate si may-ari, wala man problema. Kausapin lang natin. So yung presyo talaga, hindi natin alam kung pwede pa ba yan ma-negotiate or hindi. Basta yun talaga ang sinasabi nila na presyo. 7,500 pesos per square meter. So frontage, more or less nasa mga almost 30 meters wide frontage. So medyo mataas yung road frontage. So sa kabila may perimeter fence na. So meaning both sides may fence na talaga. So this is really a good investment guys, because this is few minutes drive from National Highway. Few minutes lang talaga. At saka yung LTO, this road is going to the LTO Carcar. Carcar City is the southern part of Cebu province. So southern part, just around 1 hour drive from Cebu City. 1 hour drive lang talaga yan, basta walang traffic, no. Ganyan. Pero kung may traffic minsan, or during babalik na yung mga workers going to Cebu City, MIPS, yun. Pero kung ka ng mga around 4 AM o hating gabi, walang traffic. Madali, 45 minutes lang to Cebu City. Okay. So maganda to guys. I repeat, 6,000 square meters clean title at 7,500 pesos per square meter. Located in Carcar City, Cebu. So flat terrain. So it's a flat terrain. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. we will process transfer of title. Okay. Okay. So thank you very much and God bless. God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.